Hello, learner, Primary 7. Welcome to this lesson. My name is Wilfred Okecho, your teacher of English. For my topic, letter writing, we are going to look at the subtopic, informal letters. In this lesson, we are looking at a language structure using dash dash as, but with the positive degree of an adjective. You've already known what the degrees of an adjectives are, and I'm sure you still remember that the positive degree is when we use the adjective to talk about one thing. But in this case, we shall look at the adjective, the positive degree, to talk about two things. This structure forces us to use two things, two nouns, talk about two nouns using one adjective in the positive degree. Okay? So we are going to describe the two nouns using the same adjective in the positive degree. For example, let me just write the first one only. Examples. The first one here says, Eddie is polite. Okay. Ken is also polite. So we are going to join these two sentences using this structure here. What are the two nouns that we are describing here? Identify them for me. The first one is Eddie. First one is Eddie. The other one is Ken. And what is the describing word? Polite. Okay? So, these two sentences are telling us that the degree of politeness, the level of politeness of these two people is equal or is the same. So, when you begin your answer, pick any of the names. Pick either of the names at random. You can say Eddie. Eddie, is, then you bring the first word from the comparison. Is as. Follow it with our describing word, polite. Then come and bring in the next word, as. And end with the last person's name, Ken. And we put a full stop. Eddie is as polite as Ken. Okay? So simple. Even if you began with Ken, you would not be wrong. Ken is as polite as Eddie. Full stop. Ken is as polite as Eddie. It is okay. Example number 2. Silva is proud. Patience is also proud. We use the same technique here. The example is there. Silva is proud. Patience is also proud. The degree of pride is the same in these two people. Because of that, we are going to begin the sentence with either of the names. And we say, Patience is as proud as silver. Or silver is as proud as patience. Okay? The third example says, the woman is tall, the man is tall. Okay? Which people are we comparing? The man and the woman. Using the adjective tall. So we shall say, the man is as tall as the woman. Or the other way around. The woman is as tall as the man. The last example is on the screen. A dictionary is very important. A thesaurus is very important. Don't mind about very, very. But that shows us that the level of importance of these two books is the same. So we begin the sentence and say, a dictionary is as important as a thesaurus. Or a thesaurus is as important as a dictionary. You can see the examples have helped us to know how we can join or use the same adjective in the positive degree to talk about two nouns. I want to thank you so much for being part of this lesson, my dear pupil. And next time you come across sentences like this, please make sure you are able to answer them properly. Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you very much.